In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge in Pinterest Mobile. If you've been organizing ideas into multiple boards and want to bring them together, merging is a quick way to consolidate everything in one place so it's easier to manage and find later. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the boards you want to combine. From the home screen, look to the bottom of the app and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your personal space where all your saved content lives. On your profile, switch to the Boards view. Depending on your app version, you might see tabs like Boards, Pins, and so on. Choose Boards so you're only looking at full boards, not individual saves. Now, decide which board you want to merge from. This will be the board whose pins get moved into another board. Tap that board to open it. Inside the board, look to the top right corner and tap the three dots to open the Board Options menu. From this menu, select Merge Boards. If you don't see the option, double check that you own the board, that you're on the latest version of the Pinterest app, and that you're not trying to merge a board type that isn't supported. Updating the app often helps if the option is missing. Next, you'll see a list of your other boards. Tap the board you want to merge into, the destination board where all the pins will end up. Take a moment here to be sure you've chosen the right one. When you're confident, tap Merge to confirm. Merging typically moves all pins from the board you opened into the board you selected. It's generally a permanent change, so if you're on the fence, consider renaming boards or moving a few pins first to test your setup. Give the app a moment to process, especially if the board has a lot of pins or your connection is slow. When it's done, go to the destination board and scroll through to confirm everything arrived. If the source board had sections, those may be combined or reflected as sections, depending on how Pinterest handles them in your version. To wrap up, tidy your destination board. Update the board title and description so it reflects the combined content. Choose a new cover image if you want a fresh look, and review collaboration or privacy settings to make sure they still fit your needs. And that's it. Your boards are merged, your ideas are streamlined, and your Pinterest is easier to navigate.